In this 15-minute walkthrough, we'll practice with low-risk insurance scenarios to build your confidence. Our objectives are executing high-utility starter prompts, observing real-time AI responses, and confirming the tool's utility. Let's start with exercise 1, policy comparison. We'll ask the AI to compare standard homeowners HO3 and HO5 policies. Type this exact prompt to generate a structured comparison table. This is a completely safe, low-risk scenario. It relies purely on public data, ensuring no sensitive client information is exposed. Let's move to our second exercise, claim summarization. Here we ask the AI to summarize a fictional anonymous accident description into a structured report. Notice how we specify the exact output format we need, like date, location, and description. This type of prompt is highly useful for saving valuable time on routine administrative documentation. Our third exercise focuses on customer communication, adjusting tone and clarity for different audiences. Let's ask the AI to draft a simple explanation of a deductible for a first-time policyholder. Instructing the AI to avoid jargon and use a friendly tone confirms its utility in client interactions. As you execute the prompt, observe the real-time responses from your chosen AI platform. Notice the response speed as it generates the answer. Watch how it handles formatting and structuring the information. Finally, verify its factual consistency with standard insurance practices. How do we know if these AI prompts are actually useful for your daily workflow? Utility is confirmed when the output measurably reduces your manual effort, when it significantly improves the clarity of a complex insurance topic. You have now completed your first hands-on session. By practicing these low-risk insurance scenarios, you are taking a crucial step in mastering AI. Keep experimenting safely.